different coupler for it. It stays on. That's right. Last time I took him for a ride, was when the coupler kept popping off.
Yes.
All right, so I did put the 4-port on today, and I'm gonna see if the 4-port works. So I just took the 4-port off the Ranger, put that thing on there. So we'll save that. I don't have much time today to drive, so hopefully we can get some stuff sorted in the next several minutes. Hopefully this works. So hopefully we can get something to go right, because it's been about 2 months now that I've really been on the struggle bus and stuff not going right. So hopefully this works, and I can actually be happy with one of the vehicles for a little while. All right, so 4-port, got the controller at 50%. I think the Mustang made 26 pounds at like 45% or something. So this should make more than 10, hopefully. 10 pounds. Maybe we just built a turd, guys. Maybe we just built a turd. I do have some hope in that it did spike the boost on the other controller. If I would hit a certain percentage, if I would go from 96 to 97, it would spike the boost. So I know it's capable of making the boost, which is one element of it. So I don't think it's a boost leak. But the other thing is maybe it's something to do with the wastegates, how they're placed. And I've never used this kind of wastegate before, so maybe there's something with that. All right, now we got somewhere. That made about 20 pounds before I lifted. That's 75, so that's good. That's good. But that's a start. It didn't seem like it was spiking like crazy fast either. I was able to watch it, but it was starting to get kind of high. I saw like 230 before I lifted, 230 kPa. I just hope it's not the same situation where it's like all or nothing, but now I'm getting all or nothing at a lower point, you know? Yeah, I mean, all my sapiens. Started to level off. I have the boost cut set at 1 second above. I have it maxed set at 25, and then at 1 second above 20 pounds, it goes back to wastegate. This thing's gonna be a spicy little animal. Spicy big animal. Working, boys. But now that I say that, something's gonna break.